Good morning, students. Today we will go through the importance of money market first of all. So when we talk about the importance of money market, how the money market has come into existence, the revolution in the trade, industry and commerce has emerged the concept of money market. Next, the vital role played by money market is that it has accelerated the economic growth of the economy. Next, money market has opened avenues for the investment of small short-term funds. Next, it has created a healthy atmosphere for the central bank for the supply of money or regulation of supply of money. Therefore, we can say that the economic development of the economy depends on the sound and developed money market. मतलब economic growth किस पर depend है? Sound and developed money market. Now, as the money market in India, what is the situation of money market? We will see. The money market in India is underdeveloped. That is why the mobilization of financial resources has become a challenging task. Next, in India, the farmer has to struggle to obtain short-term loans, so he has to indirectly depend on the money lenders. And what the money lenders do, they charge a very high rate of interest, as well as sometimes if the farmer is illiterate, they even override the loan amount. That is how their money lenders squeeze out the farmers. So Darling has aptly said that Indian farmer takes birth in debt, lives in debt and dies in debt. कर्जे में ही पैदा होता है, कर्जे में ही रहता है और कर्जे में ही मरता है, ऐसे कहा गया है. So now let us go through in underdeveloped countries like India, some markets are not specialized, organized और integrated. Integrated मतलब एक दूसरे से connection नहीं है. Next, whereas in developed countries the situation is totally opposite. Developed money market has acted like a boon. That means developed or organized money market help the developed countries or advanced countries to achieve economic growth with stability. It has helped. Now let us go through, before going into the next point, we will see that all the points for whether the question in the exam comes for write the functions of money market or write about the importance of money market, the points are same. So what we have studied in the last class, functions of money market, same headings you can apply for importance of money market also. Now let us go through the organizational structure of money market. Means the money market depends on three pillars, that is components, institutions and instruments. So today we will be going through the components, but in that also we will be going through only one component. So let us go through the components of money market. Money market is not homogeneous in character, means it is heterogeneous. It has different financial short-term instruments to go for. So, and it is loosely organized institution and it has some divisions and subdivisions. So let us go through all the submarkets, how it is divided. Constituents of money market, components of money market, or even you can call them as sub-markets. So first is call money market, then collateral loan market, acceptance market, bill market. Bill market is divided into commercial bill and treasury bill market, and then next commercial paper market, certificate of deposit market. Out of that, today we will be dealing with only one component, that is the first component, call money market. The name itself says that call money market मतलब फ़ोन करो पैसा आ जाएगा. So call money market. तो यहाँ पे वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड, इसका टर्म जो है वो क्या है, ये मार्केट कैसा है, वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड मार्केट बोलेंगे. कौन बोरो करता है ये कॉल मार्केट में से पैसा? तो बोरोवर्स कौन होते हैं? बिल ब्रोकर्स as well as dealers in stock market. They need money for short term period to trade in the stock market. So who gives call loans? Commercial banks. Commercial banks क्या देते हैं? कॉल लोन्स. देने वाले कमर्शियल बैंक्स, लेने वाले बिल ब्रोकर्स और डीलर्स इन स्टॉक मार्केट. व्हाट इज द पीरियड? पीरियड क्या है? मैक्सिमम 7 days पीरियड है, लेकिन ऑफन डे टू डे या फिर 24 आवर्स या ओवरनाइट ही ड्यूरेशन होता है कॉल लोन्स का. नेक्स्ट, कॉल लोन्स के लिए कोई सिक्योरिटी रखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. दे डोंट डिमांड एनी कोलैटरल सिक्योरिटी. नेक्स्ट, what is the speciality of call loans? They are highly liquid. Highly liquid, just on a call at a very short notice you will get the money, and that is why they are called as call money. इसलिए कॉल करने से पैसा आ जाएगा, इसीलिए इसका नाम क्या रखा है? कॉल लोन्स या फिर कॉल मनी रखा गया है. एंड so it is the most important component of money market and they are highly liquid. Call loans are highly liquid but they are not profitable. Why they are not profitable? Because you can earn a very low rate of interest, and that too this rate of interest goes on fluctuating throughout the day due to the demand and supply of call loans. And then for whom these are useful? These are exceptionally useful to the commercial banks because they can keep the money as well as reserves, and even they can earn some rate of interest. Means कुछ पैसा भी earn कर सकते हैं, और कैश के बाद कॉल मनी ही कैश जैसा ही रिजर्व रहता है. किसके पास? कमर्शियल बैंक के पास. मतलब पैसा रिजर्व में भी है और उसके ऊपर कुछ इंटरेस्ट भी कमा सकता है कमर्शियल बैंक. इसलिए कॉल लोन्स कमर्शियल बैंक के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी गोइंग थ्रू द अदर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ मनी मार्केट.